this muntin bar, glazing bar, I guess you would call it, was broken, and it really allowed to a good look inside of what it's, of how this is constructed, because you can see this muntin here doesn't go all the way through. It actually stops short, and there's a hole there. So what that hole is there's a mortise in this guy here, so that you can then attach this guy. But what I thought was really cool is that right here there's a it's like the side of the muntin comes in and then it cuts in, right? So what that indicates to me is that when they built this sash, they cut this hole that it sits in as close as possible, and then they wedged this muntin here, these two muntins together, so that they would wedge themselves into the hole, right? Because if they had just kept the corners square, it might not have fit the same. So that's pretty cool little observation there, I thought, and I didn't see that before I took that little muntin bar out of there. But I think we